Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to fix the Grok AI image limit reach problem. If you've ever found yourself staring at the dreaded message that says you've reached your image limit on Grok AI, you're definitely not alone. This situation can be quite frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of a creative project or need those images for an urgent task. But don't worry, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of why this issue occurs and, more importantly, what you can do to remedy it. Let's dive right into the core of the problem. The main thing you need to know is that Grok AI sets a limit on the number of images you can generate if you are using a free account. Specifically, free users are allowed to create up to 20 images within any rolling 24-hour period. So, if you reach that cap, Grok AI will temporarily prevent you from generating more images until that time window resets. This limitation is in place to ensure that the service remains speedy and equitable for all users who are on the free plan. Now, let's talk about what you can do when you hit this limit. You essentially have two options. The first option is the simplest, just wait it out. Once the 24-hour window resets, you'll be able to start generating images again. This means you just need to give it a bit of time. As the hours pass from your initial image requests, your ability to generate more images will automatically be restored. But what if you need more images right away, or you frequently hit the limit because you rely on Grok AI for regular image generation? In this case, your second option is to upgrade to a paid subscription model. The paid plans offer a higher allowance of image generations, which could be exactly what you need to maintain your workflow without interruption. Here's a quick tip while you're waiting for your limit to reset. Plan your image prompts in batches. This will help you use your daily quota more efficiently once it becomes available again. It's a small strategy, but it can make a big difference in managing your resources effectively. If you decide that upgrading is the best route for you, the process is straightforward. Start by opening Grok AI and tapping on your profile icon located on the bottom toolbar. From there, select the Upgrade Plan option. Make sure you're logged into the account you usually use for image generation to avoid any mix-ups. You'll then see a list of available plans along with their features. For individual users, Grok AI offers a free trial period for the first 3 days, after which a monthly fee of $30 applies. Make the most of those trial days by testing your typical workload, trying various image sizes or styles, and evaluating whether the subscription is worth it for your needs. If you're only trying to meet a one-time deadline, set a reminder to review your subscription before the trial ends and decide whether to continue. For those who operate within a business or organizational context, Grok AI provides specialized packages. These are designed with teams in mind, offering higher limits, centralized billing, and advanced administrative controls. If this sounds like it suits your situation, you can examine the business plans available on the upgrade screen or the pricing page and select the plan that best fits your operational scale and compliance requirements. To sum things up, if you're using Grok AI for free, you get 20 image generations every 24 hours. If you reach this limit, you can either wait for your window to refresh or choose to upgrade through your profile by selecting the Upgrade Plan option. Consider the individual trial if you need more capacity immediately, or look into business plans if you're part of a team. That's it for this tutorial on how to fix the Grok AI image limit reach problem. If you found it useful, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful videos.